Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most awaited review of 2025. Today, we will be taking a closer look at the brand new 2025 BMW i7, BMW's latest flagship all-electric luxury sedan. We will cover everything from its stunning exterior, ultra-luxurious interior, cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing performance, and unbelievable EV range. So make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video and let us start without any further delay. Starting off with the exterior, the 2025 BMW i7 looks absolutely mesmerizing. There are so many details that immediately grab your attention. First and foremost, the iconic kidney grille, which is now fully closed off and has a unique design compared to other BMW models. This is one of the key features that set the i7 apart as an electric vehicle. The kidney grille is flanked by the sleekest and most innovative LED headlights I have ever seen. These adaptive headlights not only look incredible, but also provide an exceptional beam output and incredible visibility on the road. The front bumper is designed with aerodynamics in mind, seamlessly integrating the front and lower intakes, while maintaining a sophisticated and sporty look. As we move towards the rear of the car, the i7 continues to impress. The slim LED taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, creating a sense of balance and stability. Overall, the design of the i7 exudes elegance and power. The sloping roofline and fastback design give the car a sense of speed and dynamism, even when it's standing still. One of the things I love about BMW's design is the way they integrate the door handles. They are practically invisible, adding to the car's overall sleek and futuristic appearance. The i7 sits on massive 21-inch aero wheels that are wrapped in low-profile tires, giving the car a planted look and ensuring optimal handling. These wheels are not just for show, they are designed to reduce drag and maximize efficiency, contributing to the car's impressive EV range. Now let's talk about the size of this beast. The 2025 BMW i7 measures 161.7 inches in length, 75.2 inches in width, and 60.9 inches in height. This translates to a wheelbase of 120.7 inches, providing ample space for passengers in both the front and rear. The interior volume is equally impressive with 104.9 cubic feet of passenger volume and 17.9 cubic feet of trunk space. The 2025 BMW i7 has a drag coefficient of 0.23, which is incredibly low for a car of this size. This is due to the countless hours spent in wind tunnels to perfect the bodywork and reduce drag. When it comes to curb weight, the i7 weighs 5,975 pounds, which is relatively light considering its size and luxury features. This contributes to the car's overall performance and handling characteristics. Moving on to the interior, the level of luxury in the 2025 BMW i7 is simply unmatched. As soon as you open the door, you are greeted with a world of pure luxury. The cabin is spacious and airy, with premium materials and finishes everywhere you look. The dashboard is dominated by the iDrive 9 infotainment system with its curved dual displays, one standard 14.9-inch infotainment screen and another standard 24.3-inch driver control screen. The integration of these screens provides a seamless user experience, allowing you to access all the car's functions with ease. In the center console, you will find a variety of controls made from crystal glass, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. These controls are backlit, creating a stunning visual effect that sets the cabin apart. The seats are upholstered in the finest Napa leather and Alcantara, providing both comfort and support during long drives. The rear seats are truly where the magic happens. Passengers are treated to a 31-inch 8K BMW theater screen that can be lowered from the ceiling at the touch of a button. This creates a private cinema-like experience where passengers can enjoy movies and shows in stunning clarity and detail. The screen also features Amazon Fire TV, giving passengers access to thousands of movies and TV shows. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround Sound System is a thing of beauty, featuring 36 speakers and a 1500-watt amplifier. The sound quality is truly exceptional, with crystal clear highs, rich mid-range frequencies, and powerful bass. Whether you are listening to music or watching a movie, the sound system brings the experience to life. The ambient lighting is another highlight of the i7's interior, customizable to your preference. The lighting adds a touch of ambience and sets the mood for any occasion. The combination of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and attention to detail makes the i7's interior truly special. It is a place where you can relax, unwind, and enjoy the journey. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 BMW i7 is not just a luxury sedan, it's a performance beast as well. Under the hood, it has two electric motors that generate up to 536 horsepower and 549 pound-feet of torque. This power is delivered to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission, resulting in an exhilarating driving experience. The i7 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 4.5 seconds. Passing power is equally impressive, making it effortless to overtake other vehicles on the road. Handling is where the i7 truly shines. The adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering provide exceptional agility and responsiveness. The car takes corners with ease and remains stable and composed even at high speeds. The xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip and traction in all weather conditions, providing confidence and control in challenging road situations. When it comes to range, the i7 doesn't disappoint. It has a massive 105.7 kWh battery that provides an estimated range of up to 320 miles on a single charge. This is more than enough for most long-distance journeys, allowing you to travel without any range anxiety. Charging the i7 is a breeze with the fast charging capability. In just 10 minutes of charging, you can add around 80 miles of range. which is perfect for a quick top-up during a road trip. The battery is designed for longevity, ensuring that it retains its capacity over time. The 2025 BMW i7 is a testament to German engineering excellence. It combines luxury, performance, and sustainability in a way that few cars can match. With its stunning design, spacious and luxurious interior, impressive performance, and extended EV range, it is no wonder why the i7 is the car to beat in the luxury EV segment. And finally, let's talk about technology and safety. The i7 is equipped with the latest technology to enhance the driving experience for both the driver and passengers. BMW's intelligent personal assistant is a standout feature, providing a seamless and intuitive interface. The My BMW app allows you to control various aspects of the car remotely, such as locking and unlocking the doors, starting the engine, and checking the battery charge level. The head-up display is another impressive feature, providing crucial information directly in your line of sight. It includes details like speed, navigation, and warnings, reducing distractions while driving. The i7 is also loaded with advanced safety features. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, providing a comfortable driving experience. Lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring help you stay within your lane and detect objects in your blind spots, enhancing safety and convenience. Emergency braking and pedestrian detection are also standard, providing an extra layer of protection in critical situations. The 2025 BMW i7 represents the future of luxury driving. It combines opulence, innovation, and cutting-edge technology to create an unrivaled driving experience. If you're looking for the ultimate luxury EV, the i7 is undoubtedly a top contender. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more exciting content. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.